Hello world, it's your boy J Living Fin Everton with ya. Out of the video, man. I just woke up. Time for breakfast. Cutting. Protein is very important. Carbs are important. Fats are important. Macronutrients are important. But when you're cutting, you have to be getting in more protein. Alright? To give your body a reason to retain those muscles. The goal is to lose body fat, not muscle mass when you're losing weight, okay? The goal is to lose body fat, so you must be getting in enough protein. You need adequate amounts of protein. I'm going to show you guys how to make your egg whites taste splendiferous. I'm going to show you how to adore egg whites. Now, egg whites are considered a bodybuilding staple. How do you make egg whites? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make egg whites, but I'm not only gonna show you how to make egg whites, I'm gonna show you how to make egg whites taste extremely freaking good. Because egg whites, if you eat egg whites before, you know egg whites are disgusting. They taste terrible. It's not the same without the yolk. The yolk is tasty. The yolk tastes good. Alright? That fat tastes good, man. But we gotta put that to the side for a little bit. We gotta make sure we get enough protein so we can achieve the physiques that we want. Alright? And how we're gonna do that? I'm gonna show you how to do that, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, guys, I got my organic free-range eggs, man. Got my Batman bowl. Here's what we're gonna do. I got a spoon because we don't got no forks. I don't know where the forks at, man. That's crazy. Alright, so we got 1, 2, let me show you guys. Get that up there. We got 5 eggs here. Alright? We want the protein, but we don't want the fat, so we're gonna make egg whites. Here's what you do. You crack the egg on the top of the bowl. Boom. Split it in half. Split it in 2. Boom. See that liquidy stuff? That drip drip? That's called egg white. Alright? Let that drip in there. You're gonna take the yolk from this side of the egg and flip it to that side. You see how it drips down? Boom, you're done. This is done for. Now, I really feel bad about throwing these egg yolks away, so can somebody please give me a recommendation on what I can do with these egg yolks? I don't like throwing food out, man, because somebody else could use that, you know? Somebody else could definitely use that, so somebody please give me a recommendation. I'll probably look for one later on how to preserve the egg yolks. I don't throw it out. I don't like wasting food. Count your blessings, guys. Count your blessings. Same thing. Crack it. You're supposed to be cracking it in half, but this is better than nothing. Alright, that's 2 down. All the egg whites are in the bowl. Damn. Got a little bit of yolk in there, but that's not gonna bother us much. I'm about to pull out the magic weapon. Y'all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The magic weapon is boom! Shredded cheese. Yes, guys, yes. Shredded cheese in your egg whites will improve the taste of your egg whites. I am telling you, I hate the taste of egg whites by themselves. It made me throw up the first time I tried it. I put some shredded cheese in here. Oh boy, it's like my favorite breakfast food now, man. It's crazy. And I'm gonna show you how I do this. Boom. If you're serious about your fitness, you know you gotta have your scale, man. Don't mind my scale. It's kind of dirty right now. But hey, as long as it works, that's all that matters. We got the Velveeta shreds. Look at the macros. Look at the macros. 3 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates for every 28 grams. Now you can go ahead and put 28 grams in here, or you can put 14 grams in here. The more cheese you put, the better it tastes, in my opinion, because you will mask the taste of the egg white. So we're going with 28 grams, man. We're going with 28 grams. Gonna be a whole lot of cheese. There we go. Boom! 28 grams. Alright, so we got our 5 egg whites. We got our 1 whole serving Velveeta shreds. Let's go ahead and stir this sucker up. I do not have a fork, so I'm using a spoon. Stir it up for about 10 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Oops, I almost forgot. I almost forgot the salt and pepper. Alright, got the pepper. Throw a little bit of that in there. Just a little bit. Not too much. That's all you need. That's it. A little bit goes a long way. Remember, you can always add more. But you can't take it out. It's gonna be a mess if you try. Just a little bit of salt, that's all. A little bit. Keep stirring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. Bam. Got the pan, turn that thing on. Alrighty. Get the pan spray. You know we don't use butter over here, guys. Fit living, we do not use butter. Butter, very high in calories. We don't want that. Bam. Let that heat up for a little bit. I'll be right back with y'all. Pan is nice and warm. Gonna go ahead and take our eggs. Just throw it right in the pan. Very simple. Just like that. Look at that. The good thing about eggs cook quick, so this thing will be done in 2 and 3 minutes. Now this is not necessary, guys, but here's another secret weapon. If you want to add more protein to your egg white breakfast, it still tastes good with just the egg whites and the shredded cheese, but we're cutting, man. We need more protein. So I'm gonna give me about 4 ounces of chicken breast. 1.8. 4. Oh my God! 4 ounces on the dot, boy. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna cut this up, and I'm gonna throw it right in here. All right, guys. Chicken breast is nice and cut up. 4 ounces of boneless, skinless, full of protein chicken breast. Just throw it right in here, man. I should have put it in here a little bit earlier, but it's all good. Better late than never. A little more. Bam. Here we go. And we're just gonna scramble this up. All right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Chef Master J doing this with one hand, boys. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you like the video. We coming to an end. We almost done. We almost done, boys. We almost done, boys. Let's get it. Yeah. Let that chill out for like 30 seconds to a minute. And that's about it, man. Make sure your chicken is cooked, guys. Don't be putting raw chicken in here. This is cooked chicken that I put in here, guys. Cooked chicken. Alright? Cooked this chicken last night. That's basically it, boys. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Now we are dieting, which means that we're getting in less carbs. But that does not mean that we're not eating any carbs. So with that being said, let's get some carbs. Yes, sir. Bodybuilding classic, guys. Bodybuilding classic. Some good old 100% whole grain quick oats. Let's do it. You got a 7.5 of oats here. I like to throw half a cup of almond milk into my oats for extra taste. Nice and creamy. A little more. That's good. Throw that right in the microwave. Alrighty, boys and girls, breakfast is served. 5 egg whites, 1 serving of shredded cheese, 4 ounces of skinless, boneless chicken breast. Then we have 1.5 servings, which is 60 grams of quick oats with a half a cup of almond milk and a little bit of Splenda for some extra taste, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the secret to making your egg whites taste good. What I told you. Cheese, chicken. Cheese, chicken. Chicken, cheese. Cheese, chicken, chicken, cheese. Cheese, chicken, chicken, cheese. Chicken, cheese, cheese, chicken. Alright? Cheese, really makes it taste good, chicken will give it more protein. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy J Living Fit, and I'll catch up with y'all with the next one, man. Peace.